Nelson Mandela entered Robben Island prison in 1964, sentenced to life for his fight against apartheid. For Mandela, prison was not just a place where time was counted in years, but a crucible where leadership was molded by adversity. It was within this harsh environment that Mandela's leadership philosophy refined and transformed into something powerful. As Mandela walked through the gates, he was merely a symbol of resistance, but he emerged as a seasoned leader with deeper understanding and empathy. The isolated, controlled setting forced Mandela to interact with his diverse fellow inmates, many with differing views and backgrounds. Here, he learned the importance of listening, of understanding perspectives that differed drastically from his own. As Mandela often recounted, different political positions were debated hotly. Yet in those debates, he found fertile ground for growth and development. Mandela also learned the importance of resilience. Every day was a struggle against the oppressive guards who sought to break their spirit. Despite the restrictions, Mandela encouraged his fellow prisoners to maintain their dignity through simple acts like the cleanliness of their cells and the respectful manner in which they carried themselves. Furthermore, Mandela understood the power of unity and collaboration. Prisoners were organized across racial and political lines, yet collectively faced a common enemy. By encouraging cooperation and support among the prisoners, Mandela fostered an environment that strengthened their resolve. His insistence on working together highlighted a potent leadership lesson. Unity was paramount. Mandela absorbed the multifaceted dynamic of leadership through negotiation and compromise. In arduous conversations with those in power, every concession was a victory in itself. He began to see that leadership involved patience, the ability to bridge gaps between factions, and the determination to pursue dialogue, even when circumstances were grim. Ultimately, prison became Mandela's laboratory for leadership, layering his natural inclination toward justice with learned attributes such as patience, negotiation, resilience, and empathy. By the time he walked free in 1990, Mandela not only wielded the power to lead a nation, but carried the unyielding spirit forged in the confines of a cold cell. The leadership style Mandela developed in prison became instrumental in shaping a new South Africa, proving that sometimes the most profound changes begin in the darkest of places.